This 2023 Coachmen Prism Elite 24 FS is a Class C RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 6, TV, smoke detector, air conditioning, microwave, CO detector, water heater, LP detector, awning, oven, spare tire kit, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2023 Coachmen Prism Elite 24 FS is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.